go. What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby and I'm back with another video. And right now I'm going to be telling you guys about the new lemon collection by Clean and Clear. I was lucky enough for them to send this to me to test it out, and I have actually already been using them, but I know you guys wanted a little bit of a review, so I decided why not do it now when I have on makeup and show you guys what these things can do. Pause. I'm just here to pop in to tell you guys that this makeup is trash. I know. I was just testing out the airspun powder and how to draw a wing and that eyeshadow and all of that, and it was a mess, but I mean, I'm taking it off, so I'm not embarrassed, okay? I'm not embarrassed. I don't care. Now, back to your regularly scheduled program. Okay, bye. So the first product we have here that we're gonna use is the lemon cleansing wipes, and it says it refreshingly lifts away makeup and dirt, and it's oil free, and it has vitamin C. It looks like this, and yeah, I'm gonna use one right now. This is one. I can't believe I'm gonna wipe this off. Wow. So, one makeup wipe did all of this. One did all of this. I'm going to move on to the lemon gel cleanser, and it says it cuts through oil and dissolves dirt. All of them claim to be oil free and have vitamin C, so yeah, I'm gonna go to the bathroom, wash my face with that, and then come back. So I'm back, and this is the result of this. So most of the makeup, I believe, is gone, and now I'm going to move on to the exfoliating slices. It says it swipes away pore clogging dirt and oil, and on the back it says to use, exfoliate and swipe away debris, avoiding eyes, no need to rinse, use daily. I'm wondering if I need to like dry my face. Can't be bothered. I think you should use this on a. I'm gonna dry my face. Be happy. And I'm back. So now I'm going to use the exfoliating slices, and it looks like this. It looks like this, shaped like a little lemon, and then I just exfoliate. So, and it says I don't need to rinse it, so it smells really alcohol-y, like rubbing alcohol, but it smells like a little bit of lemon at the same time. So it's kind of weird. This burns your eye. Don't put it in your eyes. Yeah, some parts of my face are red now because I'm just rubbing over it with these various tools or whatever. And yeah, this is how much makeup came off. And the last thing I'm going to use tonight is their Juice Toner. It says it gently expels impurities and tones skin. And all I do is moisten a cotton ball and apply it to the face with upward strokes, no rinse needed. My face kind of feels irritated. I'm not sure why. The wipes weren't very soft. They were kind of rough on my skin, so I don't know if that's why my face feels like this right now. But yeah. Gonna moisten this cotton ball. Is this moist? It says to go in upward strokes. And this is what this looks like. I'm starting to think I should do another wipe because I still think that stuff's on my face. But anyways, I'm not going to do that tonight. All I'm going to do when this dries, I'm just going to put some coconut oil on my face. I'm just currently trying that out now, so won't update you on that yet. But I'm going to put that on my face and go to bed. Tomorrow morning, to wash off whatever is left, I'm going to follow up with the Zesty Scrub. And it says it buffs and brightens with gentle micro scrubbies. I use this every morning. I love it. It makes my skin feel so clean and smooth. And once again, the lemon smell. Amazing. I'm going to follow up with this in the morning. And that'll be that. Overall, I really like this collection. Like, this is one of my favorite collections so far. One, I think it's because of the lemon. Two, because of the packaging and the color, you know, it's yellow. Yellow is just so bright and fun. And three, my my skin feels really clean after using all of these products. So yeah, I would recommend anybody to buy these products, like, honestly. And I think y'all need to get the wipes, although they're a little rough, so be careful, don't wipe too hard, but they really do clean most of the makeup off. And the exfoliating slices, I think this is really convenient. And the toner, I mean, you can't go wrong with that toner. So if you don't have any witch hazel, you can get the toner. I need to stop talking now because my roommate wants to sleep. So yeah, me don't chat. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, all of that. Click the bell if you want to get notified every single time I post a video. I get fat though. Bye.